Park Students Association urged the authority concerned to unrecognize the recruitment of Town Planning Department. The above statement was mentioned by the president of the student body, Sukham Vidyananda, in a press conference held yesterday at its office at Khuyathong. He further asserted that Town Planning Department had been conducted the recruitment of Gazette officer, particularly for the post Assistant Town Planner and Assistant Architect. The actual recruitment has to be conducted by Manipur Public Service Commission. Town Planning Department had also conducted the recruitment without proper proceeding and also declared the result by conducting only interview on 15th of March 2024. He lastly urged the authority concerned to unrecognize the recruitment process of the Town Planning Department.
Town Planning Department ki manungda leiba Assistant Architect adu Assistant Town Planner haiba tonga post ani asi gazetteer post ngatani gazetteer post oiriba post ani asi Manipur Public Service Commission na lawbagi lahonbagi mahutta Town Planning Department masasna lawjarakanda dusu yamna maring marang mo ma khakta masana lawjarakanda interview khaktam tawakanda haiba gazetteer post lawba sa masi yamna directive haiba wahumdo ma han mutada tamjari makogi written test ne singba mata tawna mata komdan interview khak tawakanda Habuk lobagi proses asi tawri beno singno thonga si case ne yabu namloi madu favoritism amadi nepotism sathaba yana na ba tawba khongthang amani masi makoi mi khan ba yana na ba adu masathaba adu process amani haiba haiman matholoi